Hi, hello everyone. This is your astrologer and tarot reader Shravanti here. So, in this video, we're going to talk about the economic growth and development of India as a nation in the coming few years. So, why I decided to put up this video is after a long analysis, we checked India's horoscope and found out very new insights. And when we could correlate it with our present stock market, when we could correlate it with the decisions of the ministry, and when we could correlate it with the inflations and the growth, I could come to a lot of understanding of how the economic conditions of India is going to improve. So in this video, it's going to be a very short video, but it will be very useful for you to plan your finances likewise. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get to know whenever a video is posted. Okay, very important first factor is that India is going to start a new dasha of Mars. So even though the dasha is going to start 1 year from now, from 2025 onwards, Mars is quite a very strong planet for India because Mars is placed in the second house from India's Lagna. So you all know that it is the Dhanasthana, and also when we see that from the angle of Mars, putting Mars as the Lagna, it is again the 11th Lord's Dasha is going to start. So many economists predict that India will become a very large economy as a whole. But yes, it is also supported astrologically. The coming 10 years is going to be a very big economic growth oriented period for India. So how is it going to impact in a lot of things? So first thing is, when we talk about economy, it hits us is stock market. So what are the predictions that I can understandably give when we analyze deep in tarot as well as astrology is, first thing is, the stock market will grow leaps and bounds. If you see right now, when I'm talking, the Nifty is around 24,000 points and Sensex has almost touched 80,000 points. So many will think, okay, it's going to be a very slow growth, but not really. In the next 5 to 6 years, you can easily expect Nifty to touch around 40,000 points and so on. And key sectors that will grow is going to be very different, because normally when we talk about stock market, everybody will say India is an IT based country, so IT will grow, pharma will grow and all that. But this time when Mars Dasha is going to start, we can expect a very surprisingly new industry to grow. Mars predominantly more of movement, defense and automobiles, and something to do with EV, because something with electricity, everything will start growing very quickly. So this is not an investment idea I'm giving you, but it is to plan your finances. So we can easily expect Nifty to grow to 40,000 points in the next few years. Now, when it comes to the amount of economic growth, the number of investors in India will increase. That is, the direct investors, DIIs, is going to definitely increase. When I say something like this, it is predominantly because Mars has from Mars, many planets again will be positioned in the second house, which means all the Indians' mind will change into investing directly, and the number of investors, small investors, mutual fund investors, even you, me and everybody, even if it is 1,000 or 2,000, automatically the number of stock market, the accounts, the number of brokerages, the number of mutual funds, growth, everything will increase in the next 5 years. This might be a very generalized prediction, but it will have its own ups and downs. But when you look into the long picture, India will have a huge growth in the next 5 to 6 years. So you can also plan likewise. Why I'm saying this is because everybody will say, okay, today I'm not investing, tomorrow let me invest. But just if you leave it for the next few years, the prices of each and every stock is going to go up, and also all the other elements, the investment elements and the factors will also grow up, including gold, including commodities, including currencies, everything is going to go up. So definitely you can see a huge growth in the economy. Next, reality. This particular field, reality or real estate, whatever you call it, is also going to grow up. Mars is predominantly the adibadi of Bhumi. So this economic growth in terms of reality stocks as well as the real-time real estate, the number of houses being sold, and the number of people investing, buying and selling in India when it comes to houses and properties is going to be up. So this all makes us come to a conclusion that the GDP growth of India is going to be a good amount of percentage, and also the present scenarios and the horoscope supports us saying that yes, next 5 years is economically going to be a very, very good time for India. So when I looked into the horoscope, I've also taken into consideration the oath taking time of Narendra Modi ji the past month when he took his oath for the third time. It also indicates that the economic growth of India is going to be really, really high. So we can expect a lot of good decisions inside the ministry and everything aligning with the time element of India, which will help us grow in the next 5 years. So do connect and do stay tuned to my channel. So the next videos I'm going to talk will be more about different kind of stocks and how to choose and how to help you grow and invest much higher. Thank you.